Welcome to this 2-minute meditation allowing you to breathe into stress and detox your mind and body. You can repeat this meditation for as many areas of your body as you need to. This will allow you to bring your body back into balance, allowing you to discharge and release tension that builds up in the body. Coming into balance and harmony is critical for daily functioning and entering the moment with full presence. Even a mild headache can be a sign of being out of balance that disrupts your ability to focus and savor the moment. For this practice, you will use your imagination to visualize that you can breathe past the lungs and into any part of your body. Go ahead and come to a comfortable seated pose. This is a very simple practice once you get the hang of it. Sitting or lying down, closing your eyes and bringing awareness to the body. Notice where you feel tightness, tension, or even pain. Once you've located the place where you want to relieve the tension, take a deep inhalation. As you inhale, imagine a healing or soothing white or golden light coming in through the crown of your head. You can see this light coming in with your breath through the normal breathing pathways. Picture this light traveling to the location where you are experiencing tightness or tension. Let the soothing light fill up the affected area. Let it seep all the way down to the cells of that part of the body. Take a long, slow exhalation. As you do this, visualize your breath carrying away any tightness, tension, and any impurities down the body. The breath carries these impurities down the legs and finally out the bottom of your feet, where they are deposited harmlessly back into the earth for recycling. Repeating this process as many times as necessary, inhaling and exhaling until the tightness or tension is reduced or all remaining impurities are drained away. You can also add into healing and a balanced intention, saying in your mind, "May this part of my body attain full balance and harmony as it is intended to be." Inhaling, taking in a long breath, imagining a healing or soothing white light coming in through the crown of your head. Exhaling, long, slow, breathing out the impurities out through the bottom of your feet. Continue to sit or lay in this position, inhaling and exhaling. When you are ready, slowly bring your breath back and your mind to awareness and come back to the day, feeling lighter and de-stressed and detoxed.